We just totally finished it. So we just now in the testing mode. So yeah, do you like it?
I do. Yes. Yeah. I think that's a great start.
We fit like almost in 7 days with that. So what we really need from you ideally today to test, like to just I will prepare some little here bugs and I will compare with our design, and also you could just go through it and register account and try to work with that.
Okay.
Also, I will share the admin link with your admin account that you could just try to add the materials.
Okay.
And then and send your just feedback in the chat.
Yeah. I can do that this afternoon, and so you'll have it by your morning. Well, very good. Thank you, Alex. I appreciate it. Looks really good.
Well, thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah. Safe travels.